Hey there, we are still on Unit 5.01. This is Part 4. Shunzhou used several Chinese painting conventions, which means characteristics, in the painting Figure Crossing a Bridge. Rather than just painting what he saw, he chose the objects and details he wanted to include and the ones he wanted to eliminate. To Shen, the artist's goal was self-expression, not just copying the physical world. Shenzhou used only black ink. By eliminating color, he draws attention to the hazy forms and expressive lines of nature. The use of only black also helped him concentrate on brushstrokes. He successfully created a tranquil mood by using only different values of black. What do you think the mood of the painting would be if he had used realistic colors? Shenzhou used many different brushstrokes but only one color of ink. Chinese painters and calligraphers made their own ink by grinding a solid ink cake in a small amount of water on an inkstone. Ink cakes were a mixture of pine soot and lamp black, which is burnt plant matter. The paint brushes typically have bamboo handles, and the bristles have a rounded shape and go from thick at the base to a fine tapered point. And there's a video in this content if you would like to watch it on the Figure Crossing a Bridge. Shenzhou used simple brushstrokes to make Figure Crossing a Bridge. Each branch on the willow tree, for example, is made with a single brushstroke. Each leaf is made with a single brushstroke. Select the stem, stroke, and leaf stroke symbols at the bottom of the image to see how Chinese artists could create different effects by varying brushstrokes. And if we were to go over some of this, Chinese porcelain is made from pure white clay and feldspar, which is exceptionally strong. Is that true or false? Another question is, the Chinese gave the secret of porcelain making to many other cultures. Is that true or false? Some of the best porcelain was made during the Ming and Qing dynasties. Is that true or false? Every Chinese factory made porcelain with the same shapes, designs, and colors. Is that true or false? I think we learned that they were different. The most popular color was a red glaze on a yellow background. Is that true or false? I know we know blue was their most popular color. Dragon images on porcelain were symbolized imperial. Dragon images on porcelain ware symbolized imperial power. So is that true or false?